Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing an unboxing and I have two of my boxes. My Birchbox was only shipped on the 18th, or today's the 18th, sorry, on the 16th, so 2 days ago, which is fairly late for Birchbox, I must say. So we only have two boxes. I'll probably unbox my Birchbox on my Instagram, which I will leave the link somewhere up here, either here or here, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's gonna be there. So if you want to see what I got in my Look Fantastic box and my Glossybox, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Glossybox, and the first thing that I see are lashes, which I really enjoy wearing lashes. Now I don't wear them very often, but when I do, I like my lashes to be full but lightweight. That's my criteria for lashes. But these ones are from LA Splash and they're called Golden Gatsby 3D Foam Ink lashes. So this is what they look like. They have a thicker band from what I can see, and they are pretty long, so I'm gonna try them on one day and see if they fit my eye shape and eye size, and we'll see. If not, they might get decluttered, but someone will definitely have some use out of them. Next up we have Steve Laurent loose powder, and this one is in the shade Rose Gold. So basically it is a pigment in the shade Rose Gold. Let me, oh shoot, okay, there was this little thing on top of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take whatever is left on the little protector and I'm gonna do a swatch. So this is it. Really lovely color. I do really enjoy rose gold pigments, and it can be sheared out pretty well just to give you a wash of color, or I'm pretty sure you can use a glitter glue or a base for it to be like bohème. So lovely. I don't use, like I said, pigments that often, but when I do, I really appreciate them and I love the color. Next up is the Original Source shower gel, and this one is in the scent Sweet Rubber and Raspberry, and it has 100% natural fragrance. So scraped it out. Let me just remove that. Smells really nice. I love fruity scents, whether it's my perfume or whether it is shower gels or anything, or candles. Like, I really appreciate fruity scents, and this is lovely. Next up I have the Bella Pierre Liquid Shadow Eye Candy in the shade Venus. So this is what it looks like. It is a liquid shadow, so let's put a little swatch on my hand to see the color. Now it is a little transparent, which, you know, is not a bad thing. It is kind of taupey color. I really like it. So this is what it looks like. Lovely. I'm gonna leave it on my hand until the end of the video, or until the end of this unboxing, and we'll see if it dries down or if it transfers. And the last thing in my Glossybox is a lipstick from LOV, and this one is in the shade 501 Gazinus Redwood. So is broken. There is a magnet here, but what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna pop it right back in, and hopefully, yeah, it stays in place. Okay, anyway, this is the color. It reminds me of the Catrice shade that I used up not too long ago, but let's give it a swatch. Super creamy, and yeah, very similar to that shade, which I enjoy wearing shades like that. It is a warm sort of rosy color, really suits my skin tone and just looks very flattering on me. So yeah, I'm excited to have that in my collection. I have never tried the brand LOV, but look at this packaging. It's super sleek, really kind of heavy, feels very high-end. Lovely. I'm gonna really enjoy that lipstick. But before we finish off with Glossybox, I want to see if this Bella Pierre eyeshadow is smudge proof. So let's do a test. Yeah, does not budge. And these are the kinds of liquid eyeshadows that I love, that you put on, you have some time to blend it out, but then they just set and that's it. They don't move around. Really, really impressed with that. Actually, a little sneak peek, next month we are going to get the Bye Bye Beauty Strawberry Booster. So this is what it looks like. It seems like a serum, which I love. Any types of oil, serums, moisturizers, I just love getting them. So this seems very interesting. Okay, and it's time for the Look Fantastic box. They all look so festive. I really, really love the designs on both boxes this month. Okay, first thing, lashes. Wow, I got 2 types of lashes. I am very excited, and these ones look like the type of lashes that I wear. They have a thin band and they're fluttery, not too long, and they're from Allure. So these are the fluttery light lashes. Look at this, super lovely. Now for these, I'm super excited because they'll definitely fit my eye and they're not going to be too heavy. I just love it. Super excited for this. Next up, we have an eyeliner from Ico, and this one is the Travel Size Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. Now I was gonna say, I hope it's a brush tip applicator, and it is, because usually those eyeliners, they come in a felt tip applicator, and I just can't use these. My eyes are too small, they're too liney, you know what I mean? Like I can't use these. But this one is waterproof, lash enhancing, precision brush, and carbon black. Really, really good. I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna leave it until maybe a Shop My Stash, or whenever I'm traveling to, or actually yeah, I'm gonna leave it for my next Shop My Stash, and I'm just gonna put it to the test then. I just don't want to open it and, you know, risking it to dry out. So yeah, really excited with this one. Okay, and next up I have an eyeshadow palette, and this one is from Sleek, and it is the Oh So Special palette. Typical Sleek packaging, very sleek. But let's open this little guy up and see what it looks like. Interesting. This is what it looks like. Now I do not have this palette. Yeah, why are you not focusing? Okay, I do not have this palette in my collection, but I really enjoy this color scheme. Wow, this is looking lovely. Oh my god, like, Look Fantastic, you're killing it this month with all of these products. Okay, I'm kind of excited just to dip into it. Wow. Ooh. Next up, I have the Prey Platinum Firm and Lift Cream. This is what it looks like, and I have heard of this brand before. I actually have one of their products, and it is a kind of throat cream, let's say. Now, don't use it very often. I kind of use it whenever I remember to use it. But yeah, it looks pretty fancy, so I'm gonna wait until I finish off my current moisturizer, and then this is probably gonna go into the next rotation. Next up, I have the Real Chemistry Luminous 3-Minute Peel for instantly smoother, brighter and softer skin. Now this is not a mask. This peel is a clear gel. Peel upper half of the face and then start over and peel lower half of the face. So what you do is you spread the gel thinly over damp skin with damp hands, perhaps in the shower, as a small amount of water is required for proper activation. So what you do, you apply it and then you begin massaging the entire area in a circular motion, and apply light to medium pressure, Within 15 or 20 seconds you are going to feel the tissue kind of underneath your fingers, and then after 2 or 3 minutes you wash this off. So this is what it looks like. Very interesting. I don't know what to say. This is very interesting. I definitely need to try it in the shower. I'm definitely going to try it tonight to see how it works, if it works, and if it's worth it, because this definitely sounds super interesting. And then the last thing is Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil, and this is a heat UV protective primer. So this is what it looks like. It is like a heat protectant, which is great because the current heat protectant that I have, I'm almost out of it. So to have a replacement from Bumble and Bumble, which is a well-known company, is really, really good. Excited about that. It will be a while before I try this, but still, it's good to have something like that in my collection. Okay, time for the sneak peek, and in January we're going to get the e-cooking moisturizing serum, and this is supercharged with high content of hyaluronic acid. So it is a perfect antidote to dry skin. I don't have dry skin, I have combo skin, but I still enjoy hydrating serums. So yeah, sounds interesting. We're gonna have 2 serums to try out, as it seems, one from Glossybox and one from Look Fantastic. You never know what we're gonna get in Birchbox. But yeah, that completes today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.